Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to VED.io for AI subtitle and clip automation, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the VED.io website in your preferred web browser. Locate the sign up or get started button on the home page. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a sign up page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the appropriate field. Once completed, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from VED.io. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verification, return to the VED.io website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the subscription plans section. Review the various subscription options available. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Enter your payment details in the required fields. Make sure all information is accurate before proceeding. Review the terms and conditions and agree to them. Click on the Confirm Purchase or Complete Subscription button. You will receive a confirmation of your subscription via email. Upload your desired video to start using the tools. Follow the prompts to generate subtitles and automate clips as needed. Enjoy creating professional quality videos with VED.io's features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.